forgetful heart, lost your power of recall. Every little detail you don't remember at all. The times we do, who would remember better than you? Forgetful heart, we laughed and had a good time, you and I. It's been so long, you content to let the days go by. When you were there, you were the answer to my prayer. Forgetful heart, be left with all the love that life can give. What can I say? Without you it's so hard to live. Can't take much more. Why can't we live like we did before? Forgetful heart, like a walking shadow in my brain. All night long, lay awake, listen to the sound of pain. The door is closed forevermore. If indeed there even was a door.